Hey Jacob. Hey Jacob. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Alright, so guys, hope y'all are having a great Saturday. In this video, I'm going to break down how the market has started to sell off and how gold is starting to recover.
Subscribe to PewDiePie.
What is it? Why is it glitching?
It's called frame rate, old man.
Yeah. What about subscribe to Ryan and Sam?
But Ryan and Sam haven't released a banging song.
Which is called what?
B-I-T-C-H lasagna. You know,
Okay, so subscribe to PewDiePie and also subscribe to Reese's channel. He does Fortnite videos. So I'm going to slide the camera around real quick so I can do some Fortnite dances to ask for subscriptions.
Yeah, shameless plug, by the way.
So this is for there you go. This is for subscribers, Reese. You got to do it good.
Oh, are you recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's in a bit, yeah.
Alright, so I'll put Reese's link down there if y'all want to. If you know anybody who's interested in Fortnite, plays Fortnite, subscribe to Reese.
People are trying to make money on stocks and then just this guy.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so we're going to break down the market. Let's get this back fixed.
Okay, shut up.
So we're going to break down the market, how it started to sell off, and then how I see a lot of potential in gold. Recovering back up towards the top zone. Let me pull up our Thinkorswim. Okay, so this is going to be /ES. The mini for the S&P 500 is going to be the future for the S&P. As you can see, we've had many talks before about the resistance, this top resistance zone, and where we would see a lot of potential resistance. And you can see just how close it got rejected from this line and started selling off the last few days. Now we've had a short bounce on this 4 hour. We've had a pretty strong recovery. Now there's a few different options here that we could see. We could see a recovery back up to this zone to retest it. We could get a rejection somewhere up in here and start selling off more. I got two lines drawn here. We actually just shot this video just a minute ago, and we use OBS for our recording, and we got done with a 20-minute video and all we had was a green screen. So we closed down OBS, we reopened it, and OBS had an update out that wasn't there 30 minutes ago that talked about a green screen fix. So we got a little frustrated with that. Technology, you gotta love it. So, but what these two zones are is this one had a bounce here. We've had a lot of consolidation around this area. So we could see a bounce in this area here. We've already recovered a little bit, so this could be the bounce if it does continue up to this top zone again. Or this bottom zone here, we've had quite a few bounces here on this bottom zone. And we could probably draw another one right here. It's going to be quite a few possible zones it could bounce at. So that's kind of what I see in the zones that the overall market could bounce at. More than likely, if we stay in a bull market, we probably won't get too far below this line here on /ES, which is about 2600 level, a little bit above that, about 2625. So we'll have to see what that does. But what I was going to break down for you is gold. So as the market's been selling off, gold has started to recover. There, the zones popped up there. We sold off to this 1280 zone, and now we've almost recovered back to this 1300 zone. So JNUG is one that I saw a lot of value in, and I almost bought into it the other day at 926, and I wish I would have, because from 926 to where we finished yesterday was about 14% growth. But I still see a lot of value in gold. It's at a top zone for me. It's not really pulling. It's not pulling up on this chart. I don't have no zones drawn on this chart, but JNUG is a gold miner ETF. It's a bull, and then you got JDST, which is the inverse to that. It's going to be the bear for this gold miner going down. As you can see, we got a pretty strong rejection right here on the 4-hour. This is the smooth moving average line, which you can actually see it. It acts as a support and resistance to that line. So had a pretty strong rejection here. So I'll have to see if gold pops up above the $1,300 level and holds. If it does, then I will probably try to play some JNUG in the coming week or so. So that's pretty much it. If you know somebody who plays Fortnite, support my stepson Reese. He's a really good player. He likes playing Fortnite. I will put his link down in the description. As Reese said, subscribe to PewDiePie. You know, him versus T-Series. And if you're interested in stocks or affiliate marketing, you know, Sam and I would invite you to subscribe to our channel as well. And that's pretty much it. So I hope y'all have a great week in the markets. Hope you stay green if you trade. And until next time on the next video, should be coming out with one tomorrow after 5 p.m. For the futures. And we'll see you then. Take care.